follow the rules of CrossFit Alpha Strike, going to go 50.2. For the weights, we have a standard 35-pound bar with 15-pound weights on each side.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Relax. 1, 2,
Lock your elbows.
3,
Pick your wrist back.
4, 5, 6.
Alright, go. Straight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to your bar.
Higa.
30 seconds.
15 minutes. Oo, kaya pahinga ka.
Hindi, may isang round ka pa ng overhead squats sa pull-ups ah.
Hindi yung ano mo, next round mo.
40 seconds.
Pero marami ka pang oras.
2 rounds mo gagawin bawat isa.
Calm your heart rate. Go. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, total, ganda na mobility mo po yan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright, pahinga.
24. 1 minute and 22 seconds. 8 lang. One minute and 45. Two minutes in. Last 45 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Okay, round number 2 is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 8. 1, 2, 3,
Pick your wrist.
4,
Relax your elbows.
that's 5, that's 6,
7 and 8.
that's 7, 8.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 30 seconds in.
Yan muna. Mamaya mo. Dalawang round lang yan. Dahil mo oras. Mamaya tayo bibengga.
45 seconds in.
1 minute start.
Nah.
Go. 5. 8. Go. Lower.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Elbows.
7,
Shake your legs. Shake your legs, shake your legs. Pinok, sa'yo ba yun?
56. After nito, we go for 10s. 55 seconds left to rest. Last 30 seconds.
Okay, last stop. Hold your heart rate. Okay? Then ito Then.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6 minutes.
Relax mo na. Go. 10 reps. Go.
1, 2,
Faster.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Okay,
10.
ready?
Good job.
Go, 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 go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, yung muna.
6 minutes and 40 seconds in.
Ito na ito, no?
Ah.
Okay, 10 second rest. 10 seconds. 5. Bang heart rate. Dapat hindi tayo bang heart rate masyado. Ready? Go. 10 reps. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, doing good, pal. Let's go. Go, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Second out in.
Ah, tapos na siya.
Same thing. Pahinga muna. Pahinga muna. Relax your legs. May 1 minute 15 seconds ka pa para magpahinga. Relax your legs. Sit down, Paulo.
We're up at 96 now.
Okay, relax mo yung quads mo, ha. Ito, nasa 12 tayo. Diretso yung 12, ha. Doing great. Doing great. Just maintain your pace. Huwag na matalang ka. Okay?
Seconds left to rest.
Aim natin, tapusin yung 14.
At the very least, 14.
Para lumamang ka sa konti sa kanila. Ikaabol tayo. 30 seconds. Ready? 15. Okay. Last 10 seconds. Malalim. Tama.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
12 reps for each, Pao.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
that's 3, that's 4,
5,
that's 5, now 6, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good.
Go, 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 go. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Don't waste time na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Alright. Next round, break down the pull-ups. So slowing down the pull-ups. Go. Try mo rin overhead squats. Break down with pull-ups. Let's go. This one, bring it up overhead first. Relax, then go down. Go.
1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Alright. I want you to do 6, then go down, and go back up. You have plenty of time. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Down. Relax your shoulders. Tagal pa yung oras natin. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
7,
Mangyari.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay lang yun. Pagkano pa ba? Akad ulit. Okay lang yun. 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, arms free, relax.
144 reps, pao.
Relax mo yung arms mo. Hindi ko too big. Doon.
40 seconds left to rest. Looking really great, pao. Come on.
Okay, 14 na pa. 14 na. Okay, check down the pull-ups. Mapagod ka sa pull-ups, okay? Mapagod siya yung braso mo. This one, stay up. Kasi nga, ganda naman yung shoulders mo eh. All you have to do is relax your lats. Relax your scapula, stack it down, go down. 15 seconds. You have 1 minute 30 seconds each round, okay? Take your time.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 14 reps, pao. That's 1, 2,
Go!
3, that's 4, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, last 2, 13, last one, 14.
Okay, 7. Go.
Come on.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 7.
Come on, pao. 8, 9, 10. Come on. Last 4. You have 10. You have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11, 12, 13. Last one. 14. Back to your bar.
15. Let's go, Paolo. Come on. Tara na.
13 minutes and 20 seconds.
Go.
You have until the 15th minute, pao. 14.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Come on. Up. 14.
Paolo, relax. Let's make 14. Ready?
1 whole minute left.
Go. Sabrina na lang. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Come on.
You have 5.
5 ulit. Ready?
1
5
pound.
ulit, ha? 5 ulit.
Lots
Go.
of time.
20 seconds.
6, 7, 8.
Come on, Paolo. Let's go. Pao. I-butterfly mo yan. Dito ka magaling eh.
9, Pao. You have 10, 11, 12, 13, last one, 14.
Alright, Pao. Goal natin, makabalik ng second set ng 16 sa open squat.
2, 1, go!
16, Pao. Come on.
16. Come on, Pao. Come on, come on, come on. Pao, ang habol natin. Tara, 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 tara.
Go.
Come on, Pao. You got this.
16 lang.
Let's go, Pao. Come on, come on, come on.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, up. Let's go. We have 16.
Go, 1. Goal natin, makabalik dito mamaya.
1. A little lower. 1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5,
That's 5.
6, lower.
That's 6. That's 7. 8.
Walk backward a minute. Walk backward a minute.
Eight.
Go, 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 go,
Eight.
go. You have no more time. You have to go back here. Gusto natin makabalik ng 16 dito.
Come on, Pao. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Slow down. Let's go. You've trained for this. You're ready for this. What did you get? Go. Pick
Come
it
on,
up.
Pao. Halfway there.
Stop by 4.
You got 8. That's no
That's
rep.
wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. Oh, you're doing great. You're doing great. It's all in your head. Easy. Go, 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 go. Go.
Come on, Pao.
Go, 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 go.
Come on, come on, come on.
Go. Go. 1,
That's 9.
2,
That's 10.
3,
11. A little lower. 11, 12, 13,
14.
14,
Go, let go.
15, 16.
Okay, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Go up, huh? Go up.
216 now, Pao. Come on, come on. You want to get 230.
8 reps. All you got, 8 reps. You gotta go back to open squat. Do like development of points. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Up, 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 up. No more choke.
3 more sets, Pao. 3 more sets of force. Come
Go.
on.
4,
5, 6, 7,
One more.
8.
Okay, last 4, last 4. Go back up. Paolo, go back up. Kailangan natin makabalik
Come on,
dito.
come on, come on, come on, Pao. Come on, come on, come on.
Ayaw mo pa ulit.
8.
Go.
9, 10, 11. Now give me 12. Right, Pao, last 4, last 4. We have 4 more, 4 more. We need 16. Less than 30 seconds to go.
Let's go, Paolo.
Come on, Pao. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We got this.
20 seconds na lang. Go.
Let's go, Pao. 1, 2. Now give me 3. Up and 4, up and 4. All right,
Go back, go back, go back, go
16.
back.